Alrighty, so here's an outlet that has, or a junction box that has a power in and power out, and the ground wires are just twisted together without a crimp sleeve. So we're going to take these apart, and we'll put an outlet in here. So make sure there's no power on any of these wires. So we'll cut our tails out of this here. Alrighty, so here in the country I was born in, our bare wire is the ground. So we'll twist this together here. Hey, that came out nice and even there. Well, right there, I'm going to clip that off so it's even. Okay, this is a copper crimp sleeve. These are your crimpers. You put your sleeve in the crimper like that there. You slide it over your ground wires like that. Have a little bit sticking out there, and you just squeeze it down nice and tight. And it'll look like that there. See your little indentation there? That's what we want. So we'll push that into the back of the box, and this will go to our outlet. Okay, so we have our black and our white. Okay, so I'll get our whites twisted together, get our insulation even at the top. Get our first two started. Okay, so we'll get our third one in here. Get our insulation even at the bottom there. We'll twist it in. Twist them so that they're even. Clip them so they're even with the shortest one. So we'll put our cap on. Okay, there's our white, which is neutral. Okay, I'll strip these wires a little longer here. Okay, we'll get our insulation even at the bottom there. We'll twist them. Get our third one in. Get it even. Wrap it in so it's nice and even there. Okay, then we'll clip it so it's even here. Okay, so here in the country I was born in, we were using 12 on American wire gauge on 20 amps. Okay, so I'll fold our wires, go into the box, like this. I'll strip our wire a little longer to go around the screws on the outlet. Okay, we'll close the screws we're not going to use. Okay, so we'll put our bare ground wire. I'll clip this back a little bit shorter. So we put our bare wire on the green screw. Close the loop in the direction our screw turns. Okay, we'll tighten that up. Green is our ground. Here in the country I was born in, our outlets are polarized. The white is neutral, goes on the silver screw, and that's the wider slot. So we'll put our white wire around the silver screw. Close our loop. And we'll just tighten it up, make sure our insulation's not under the screw head. We'll turn it around. Alrighty, so now black is live, goes on the brass screw, and it has the narrower slot. So make sure it's tight. Now when we fold this in, we'll keep our ground wire down at the bottom so it doesn't touch anything, and we'll screw this in. And I'll tighten it by hand so I don't strip the holes out.